Hi, good morning everyone. This is Mr. Banyao again. I'm here to give you a quick guide on how are you going to consolidate school QRE forms grades 1 to 10. We'll give you a sample for one school in the District of Lila. On screen, you can find the District Consolidate QRE forms for and port or data coming from one of the schools in Lila District. So data from grades 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 10. So first is I'm going to open the District Consolidated QRA Forms 4. And then first I have to open grades 1 to 3 QRA Forms 3 and 4 from this. At the district level, here I am going to walk you through the template. First, we have here the data sheet. There is District Information Dashboard wherein you're going to input the school year, quarter, district division, and the name of your public school's district supervisor. We also have here buttons for QRA Form 4 grade 1 up to grade 10. The same way for QRA Form 5 for grades 1 to 3, 4 to 6, and 7 to 10. For grade 1, you are going to input all the data in each school in the district for grade 1. The same way for grade 2, grade 3, 4, up to grade 10. And here we have yellow sheets for Form 5, grades 1 to 3, 4 to 6, and 7 to 10. For grades 1 to 3, all the data coming from Form 4, grades 1 to 3 are consolidated in this form. And the same way for grade 4 to 6, all the data coming from grade 4 to 6 in this sheet will be automatically calculated in this template. The same way for grades 7 to 10, all the data you inputted from grades 7 to 10 will be placed in this template as a school district consolidation. So again, let us start. Let's have first the data sheet. For school year, you're going to manually input 2020 to 2021, and then for the quarter, there is that inverted triangle. You're going to click that one and select the quarter of your report. So for example, now is third. That is third quarter. For the district, you're going to select the list of district through the inverted triangle. So I am from Lila, so I have to find and select Lila. So here. And for the division, just manually input Bohol and the name of your supervisor. After accomplishing the district information dashboard, I am now ready to collate the data coming from each schools in the district. So let's start from grade 1. So I already opened the report coming from one of the schools in Lila here. So I have to click on the QRA Form 4 in each school report. So for example, this school coming from MES, grades 1 to 3, I am going to open the sheet for QRA Form 4. And here we have grade 1, 2, and 3. So my first report now is the data coming from grade 1. So what am I going to do now is this. I'm going to highlight the data coming from grade 1 starting from the enrollment in Mail. Click that one, highlight up to the end of the report. So then Control C to copy, then go back to your district consolidation template, and then here we go for grade 1. Do not forget to click that one. Then here at the start, click, right click, and then do not forget to click on the number 1, 2, 3 or the values to paste your data. So here, you have not encoded it manually, but instead you are copying it with the correct value. So school, this data come from this school. So I have to input Malinaw Elementary. This is the data coming from grade 1 in Malinaw Elementary School. Now, let's proceed to grade 2. So I have to click on this grade 2 sheet and then go back to the report coming from the school, and then for grade 2 school row, again the same way, you're going to click on enrollment first in Mail, then drag going to the right up to the last column, then Control C to copy, then go to your district form the same way as what we have done for grade 1. Click on Mail, right click, and click on this 1, 2, 3 or paste as values. And this school is Malinaw Elementary School grade 2 data. The same way for the rest of the schools in the district, the same process, the same pattern. You're going to right click and paste as values, or that button with number 1, 2, and 3. So now let's proceed to grade 3 sheet. So going back again to the report coming from Malinaw Elementary School in grade 3. So remember, you can find this through the QRA Form 4 sheet. Click starting from mail, going right to the last column of your data. Then Control-C to copy, proceed to your district consolidation. The same process. Click on mail, right click and paste as values, or just click on that 1, 2, and 3. There, it's good. Then write the name of the school. So meaning, for grades 1, 2, and 3, for the first school, we are done already. So let's try to check if it is really working for F5, grades 1, 2, 3. Let's check here. So we have initial data coming from the first school. So meaning, this is already the report in the district 1. All the schools in the district is already inputted. Now let's proceed to data coming from the school in grades 4, 5, and 6. So again, I'm going to open school consolidation for grades 4 to 6, QRA forms 3 and 4. It's already open. Here we go. Again, do not forget that the data that you will be consolidating are coming from QRA form 4 in the school consolidation template. Here our report is from grade 4. So again, the same process. Just click on mail, then drag to the right up to the last column of your data. Then Control-C to copy, go back to the district consolidation template, then proceed to F4 grade 4. Then the same way, right click and click on 1, 2, 3. Do not forget to write the name of the school for you to be guided. So we're done with grade 4. Again, the same way for another schools in the district with the same grade 4, you input with the same process. Now let's proceed to grade 5. So for grade 5, the same way, go back to the school's data. So grade 5, so here, click on mail, then drag to the right up to the last column, Control-C to copy, and there, go back to the district consolidation template for grade 5, right click and paste as values, and do not forget to write the name of the school. And then proceed to grade 6 data. Okay, Control-C to copy, and then go back to here, go to grade 6, and then right click and paste as values. Then do not forget to write the name of the school. So now let's proceed to checking your F5 or QRA form 5 grades 4 to 6. So here we go. The data are already here. So how to check if what you have copied are correct? All you're going to check is this, the yellow portion. If this will entail 100%, meaning the data that you have copied are correct. Okay, so let's try to check. All of the total percentage are 100%, so meaning the data that we copied are all correct. The same way for grades 1 to 3, there, 100%. So now let's proceed to grades 7 to 10. So I'm going to open data coming from grades 7 to 10 in the school. And as I said, data that you should be pasting to the district consolidated template will be coming from QRA form 4 in each school. So now let's have here grade 7. So again, the same way, click mail and then drag to the right up to the last column, Control-C to copy, and then go back to the district consolidation template, then go to grade 7, then right click and paste as values. So here, if you're going to expand this, okay, we can see the data. So school, for example, this is coming from Malinaw High School. And then, so we're done with grade 7. The same way, the same process for grades 8, 9, and 10. Let's try to check grades 7 to 10. So here we go. Let's try to expand this. So again, to check if it's really correct. So do not forget to check on the percentage at the lower part. If that entails 100%, meaning the data that you have been copying and pasting are correct. So here we go. But remember, ma'am and sir, you can collapse this part or you can expand to check the total value. The same way, all colored total values can be expanded or can be collapsed. We are done already with consolidating the data coming from each school in the district to the district level. So it is now a turn to the district supervisor to give the analysis and interpretation of the data pasted in here. So I hope this helped consolidating our report in making things better for us. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe for you to be updated. Thank you and goodbye.